Hi, so I started doing this worksheet for you, and then all of a sudden it stopped recording, and I don't know what happened. So I'm going to discuss through the top few problems as I continue this. This is the third worksheet for the block that's labeled October 9th. So October 9th has 3 worksheets. The first one, complement and supplement problems, whatever it was called. The second one was angle problems. That stuff hopefully you could kind of figure out. The third one is this. It's more practice or more supplement and complement problems, and I think we kind of need to go through this because they are kind of new. So, whenever we see the word supplement, replace it with 180 minus x. Whenever we see the word complement, replace it with 90 minus x. If we see the word complementary, then we need to draw the picture. So here I drew a picture. It's a right angle, so it reminds me of complementary angles. They add to 90, and again, 2 angles, so I did draw this ray. So I have 2 angles that make 90 degrees. One of them is x, and the other one is so that the difference of 2 angles is 39. So if this one is x, then that one is 39 degrees away. So it's minus 39. So then I know that the sum of the 2 angles is 90. I go ahead and I continue solving, and I have my first angle equaling 64.5 degrees, and my second angle is going to be 65 degrees minus 39, and that's 0.5. Go on to number 2. Number 2 tells us we have the measure supplement as soon as these, and I'm going to replace it with 180 minus x is means equals 30 more than twice the measure of the angle, so twice x. So here's the thing with this guy. It's kind of nice that it's fairly simple equation, but they did take the word supplement and they said it first, and maybe I wasn't ready for that, but that can happen. So supplement is 180 is 30 more than 30 plus twice the angle x. So if your angle is x, we go ahead and solve plus x minus 30. X is equal to 50. 180 minus 50 is 130. Okay, so now let's do these. And I'm not going to touch my computer anymore, because that's what turned it off to begin with. What if 2 supplementary? See, this is where I stopped. I underlined the word supplementary. Angles is, soon as I see supplementary or complementary, I need to draw myself a picture. So here it is. For supplementary angles, I'm going to draw a linear pair. I see the straight line, and that straight line is 180. Remember, supplementary angles add to 180. We are referring to one of my angles, so I'm just going to call one of them x. The other one is 15 less than 3 times the other angle. 15 less than, remember when we see less than, we need to do the old switcheroo. So 3x is going to come first, minus 15. These are our 2 angles, and when I add them, I get that full rainbow of 180 degrees. 3x minus 15 plus x is equal to 180. 4x is equal to c. I can do in here. So I'm going to do my 180. I'm going to add 15 to the other side. That wasn't adding. 195 and I'm going to divide 4. And that hardly seems right. I'm going with it. Oops, 48. 0.75, that's this guy. And then I would substitute that in over here, 3 times that angle, so times 3. And this is where I'm going to see if I made my mistake, minus 15. So 131.25, and if I add these two together, let's hope, plus 48.75, oh, 180, there it is. So I know I got it right. So find the measures of both angles, 131.25 degrees and 48.75 degrees. Those are your two angles. I kind of did write it in over here. 5 times the complement. Oh, as soon as I go back to the complement, that's 90 minus x. So 5 times the complement, 5. 90 minus x. Oh my goodness, they go on to say supplement. There's a whole lot happening here. Let's pause for a moment. My first angle is x, because we're going to be referring to x. The second angle is the complement, because now we're talking about a complement, and that's my 90 minus x. And then they also talk about the supplement, and that's 180 minus x, and let's see what happens here. 5 times the complement of an angle minus twice the supplement. Replace the word supplement with this. 30. Okay. Nowhere in here do they say to use the measure of the angle. So there's no plain old x in here. We're going to be using the complement and the supplement, and let's do it. 5 times the complement, check. Minus twice the supplement. X is 30. Okay, let's do it. Distribute. Well, 5 times 9, that's 45 with a 0, minus 5x. Here, distribute the negative. Do not forget to take that negative with you. Minus 360, negative times a negative is positive. 2x. Combine your like terms. Positive 450 and a negative 360, or minus 360, that's 90. Minus 5x and plus 2x, minus 3x. You know what, maybe I'll minus 90 to the other side. And when I minus 90, that's minus 60. That's not 30, that's 3x divided by negative 3. And x is equal to 20. Yep, I made it on camera. So since x is equal to 20, I'm writing that in over here. The complement is 90 minus 20, that's 70. The supplement is 180 minus my angle x, which is 20, and that is 160 degrees. So your angle is 20, the complement of that angle is 70, and the supplement of that angle is 160. All right, let's see what else we got. Page 2. I'm just going to keep going until I hit like 15 minutes, because that's my max. Measure of the supplement. It's 180 minus x. Of an angle is 9 times the measure of the angle. Wow. And the angle is x. So here, angle 1, and that's x. My angle 2, and that's the supplement, and that's 180 minus x. Find the measure of each angle, so I set myself up for that. Measure of the supplement, that's this guy, is 9 times the angle. I can do this. Add x to the other side, and that's going to give me 10x. I like dividing by 10, right? It's 18. So your angle is 18. My angle is 18, and the supplement is 180 minus 18, and that's 162 degrees. Number 6, the measure of an angle is, so the angle is 3 times the measure of its supplement. Supplement, remember, is 180 minus x. So our angle 1 is our angle, and our angle 2 is our supplement. Okay, we got this. Angle is 3 times the supplement. now I need to distribute. Add 3x to the other side. And now I'm stuck. So 540 divided by 4. Oh, 135. Maybe I should have been able to do that. So my x is 135, and then 80 minus 135, 45. Okay, horrible. Sure, I just did 135 more time. Supplement of an angle. Well, there we go. 180 minus x angle is 60 more the angle. So our angle is x, and then our supplement is 180 minus x. Supplement is 180 minus x is 60 more than twice the angle. You can probably go ahead and solve that. Let's look what number 8 says. Oh, exceeds. I might pass on that one. That one's a good class conversation one. Let's move down to number 9. This is in the answer key. The measure of an angle is 10 more than the measure of its complement. Oh, measure of an angle is 10 more than complement. So these go from looking really complicated to, wait a minute, I can just replace some of these fancy words with the algebraic expressions that I've been using. My first angle is x, my second angle is 90 minus x, and I know that my angle is 10 more than its complement. Add x to the other side, and my one angle is 50, and the complement is 40. You know what? Maybe I'll go back to number 7, because we can do that. We have time. Supplement is 60 more than twice the angle. Add the x to the right, minus 60 to the left. And I get 40 degrees. X is 40, 180 minus 40. The supplement is 140. Don't worry about number 8. So hopefully that helped you through some of these. And yeah, go through this again if you need to. Have a good day. Bye.